Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, mates. And our report is Mayapis Roborosure palusapis dipterocarpaceae. Sa identifying features, topography, solitary dahil hindi sila pare-parehas ng pores kalalaki. At sa color naman ay reddish to blackish. Sa pore arrangement is radial multiple of 2, yung nakabilog na yellow. Tapos yung parenchyma type, very fine wood rays. Itong mga linya na pataas. Tapos sa deposit is whitish, yung nakabilog na red. And sa tylosis is present. Sa recent ducts naman ay wala. Tapos sa wood classification is premium. And sa uses is for construction and furnitures. And next, Mulave vertex parviflora limiaceae. Photography diffuse and color wood light yellowish to brownish. The pore arrangement ay solitary. Sa parenchyma type, very fine boundary. Ito yung nakabilog na blue. Tapos sa deposit naman is whitish. And the tylosis is plug pores. Yung parang malabo, yung may sapot-sapot. Tapos sa recent ducts is none. Wood classification, premium. Uses for construction and furnitures. And next, Malasapsap, Atlanthus integrifolia, Simoraubaceae. Identifying features, photography is diffuse dahil pare-parehas yung pores na kalalaki. At sa pore arrangement is solitary. The parenchyma type is aliform, yung parang mata, yung nakabilog na blue, and radial multiple of 2 to 3. And deposit is brownish. Tylosis is none. Recent ducts is none. Wood classification is premium wood. The uses naman is commonly used for construction and flooring and highly quality furnitures. That's it. Thank you.